Meet Alexander and his guide dog.
When they give me injections or take my blood for a test, the dog looks away. Afterwards, she runs up to me, whines and cries as if pitying me.
Alexander was wounded by shrapnel in the Donbas in 2016. He lost his eyesight and his left leg. The veteran underwent a dozen surgeries both in Ukraine and abroad. The most recent one, on his eyes, was performed by Canadian surgeons in Lviv. When the wound heals, surgeons will form a lacrimal canal and install a prosthetic eye.
This is to ensure that everything that remains intact can function normally. I'm not giving up hope that, after all, medicine is moving forward and they'll be able to restore my eyesight.
In another hospital room, we met Andriy, who is preparing for surgery. He was wounded in 2014 during the shelling of the Luhansk airport.
I ran, then I fell. I looked, turned back, and saw that I was missing a leg. I tried to use an arm to support myself, but it was broken. Then I felt pain in my face and passed out.
Surgeons are going to remove post-operation scars on Andrey's face and to make a correction of his lower lip. But this is not Andrey's primary concern.
My hopes are not about the operation. My hopes are about the war. I want it to end.
A group of Canadian surgeons is headed by Oleg Antonishin, professor of plastic surgery at the University of Toronto. Since 2014, he's been regularly coming to Ukraine to operate on wounded soldiers. These Canadian doctors come during their holidays and work free of charge.
We brought our surgical instruments, the equipment, of course, and the specialists who have been doing operations like this for many years in Toronto. Therefore, this mission is a success.
The operations are observed by medics from other hospitals, as well as medical students, in real time via a video stream.
It's a practical and theoretical collaboration where we have the best opportunities in our practical work, communicating with each other right on the spot during surgery to polish our skills and learn the techniques of Canadian doctors. In their turn, they evaluate and adopt our experience.
This is the 7th mission of this kind to Ukraine. Previously, Canadian doctors performed operations only in Kyiv and Odessa. This year, for the first time, they came to Lviv. Over the past 5 years, Canadian and Ukrainian surgeons have operated on more than 400 patients altogether. Reported by Yulia Biel from Lviv for UATV.